Them don't arrest one Brazilian woman. No, they see this woman with cocaine. She hide this cocaine inside her toto. Inside toto. This one surprised me. How person go carry something, put inside that place, and she go there very comfortable. We gotta say this woman, she carry 100 wraps. When no be about you carry, you can't gather them one by one, hide 12 inside your this thing. Women, when they try, it means anything if you enter that down there. Anything sizable and big, you go down there, you say, you no go even shake. You go there, can't you no go even move. Say this woman, in fact, I come the wonder. If let's say na yeast infection, she say she won't cure. Now I make am call the gather the thing they put one by one. And I don't see where Mrs. Anita don't go land. On top of say money. On top of say money, small money when even plenty. See how she even carry this thing. They pay her $3,000. Where be 1.5 million. Pere. Now she use to go carry cocaine. My people beg, make na follow me watch.
Anita and Virginia.
Where are you coming from? Brazil. Alright. This bag, are they yours?
Yes.
Why are you the one that packed them?
Yes.
So you're responsible for everything that you see.
Yes.
So if we see any incriminating things here, they belong to you. Okay, we need to search. Can you watch us? Yeah.
Open it now. Can you see?
Mrs. Anita, they're supposed to award you Madam Toto of the Year. Because it means anything we hide for that place. Hey, my people wanna they see. This woman when they talk say she come all the way from Brazil. Say this woman even, in fact, she get her own business where she they do. She they do her legit work. Where we say she they sell African food stuff for that site. Now there she come meet one Mr. Emeka. Mr. Emeka come tell us, okay, help me carry this 100 wraps of cocaine. Say, as she dey reason am say, if I say this kind thing, she no go fit swallow am. Now there she come decide say the only protective place where this thing go fit hide for. Now down there, that place dey surprise because I wonder how this woman take put this thing. But honestly, then this thing stay big now. How she take put them one by one, so take 12. She enter that place. I hope say I cover her body and nyash everything with the blood of Jesus. Because I dey fear say this thing fit even go spoil something inside her body. But now she get her body. But as the woman come Naija, now there they come bust this woman. Now wetin dey make me the reason say if bless all these Brazil people, I be airport people for that side. And I know they do na research well. Person go come from that side, and I no go check him body. I be na they do na I sure say they bribe them. Because how person go pass all the way from that place, come enter Nigeria, they no see anything. Now inside this Nigeria, now somebody come go chook now, they come catch him. It means say once something illegal they happen for that side. She even get lucky self. Say they don't even go catch him for that place because if say that place, I trust them. Any smart for that their own side, on a no say na death. But she lucky say inside Nigeria. She fit still, mago away, come from that place. But mommy, I beg. How you take plan to do this kind of thing? She said she keep her children now for her neighbor place for that place. I beg, how you want to manage this whole thing? And I know say this NDLEA people now, they really work. They work because they catch people now on a regular. But still they go talk say Nigerians making us stop this thing. But still na no go here. It be like say abun today na brain. And I no go hear something na go still they do am say this cocaine na must carry am on top of waiting. Say she won't go do her papa burial. Papa burial, person wey don die, leave am make it die in peace. Now you won't go waste money. On top of 1.5 million naira, now you go do this kind of thing. Now if you enter prison now, that money wey you wan use for the burial yourself, you no go even see and use. Because now for the police station, now you go use and settle debt. When they see we dey make am for abroad, now them be this. Rich auntie vibes, wey say they go dey show you, they go dey prepare you, now them be this. You no go know say the kind of work wey they do for that abroad. Now bad things. And all these abroad people, most of them, they always catch them say, why not they spoil our name? Why not they spoil this Nigerian name? And I go there, do something legit, make we know say na legit work you dey do. Any bad news, Nigeria dey inside. Nigeria, I beg, na only Nigeria dey inside the whole country. Na only Nigeria dey the world wey be say anybody wey they arrest, if na thief or if na this one, the person one Nigeria must dey inside. This Antina just go disgrace us again. She just go spoil the Nigerian name. Our award winner for the total of the year. You just go spoil everything again, can't give us. But I know as you want to do am because it's your matter, even surprising. I don't know bear where they won't give you because the thing too plenty. Some dey inside your handbag. The ones where even they down there on your own. The one where they inside handbag. The one where the handbag self even they jagaja. I sure say na waiting make those abroad people no even check inside the bag. Now make they just reason say make they let her go. But I beg you, making us stop to spoil our name. We don't tire. We don't tire any bad news. We don't want to hear am big, making a change. My people, I hear this one. I want to make a bring and come inside. Make na say listen here. Everything they happen. Make na don't forget to comment about this whole matter what I just talked about. And make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for our next video. 50 people just died inside one military plane crash where happened inside the Philippines. Philippine people, like say the way plane just they crash for this one aside now. I know they understand. Just recently, one just crashed, so we never even talk about one matter end. Another one said, don't they happen? We gotta say the Hercules plane, said the thing they try land for one Jolo Island for Sulu province. I've been waiting. So now that side, this thing won't go land Nigeria before they go see. The thing don't scatter. And say people who even there inside this plane crash, there be newbies, that is new trainers, so where they just carry them, say, may they go combat the Islamic militants. Like say one kind of wahala they happen for that side. May they go help them sort out this matter. They say as the plane they try goes, make it go land for one place, and there plane blind. He miss road. When suppose land for one place, he go land for another place. My people are back. Make now follow me watch.
Grabe. How na? Allah Akbar.
Una dey see? Plane wey suppose go land for, I no can understand. Say na the screen of the airplane, this thing, I mislead them. Abi na wetin happen? We even thank God because I say na 96 people even dey inside this plane. But just some 50 wey even die self, na just some. Say most of them, they even retain the injury. Some of them still dey hospital. But I beg, una suppose work on top this thing because now don't be like say the thing dey really happen. And as they go doing their investigation self, some people they reason say na attack because the first one happened. The reason say okay, na plane crash. That one 6 people die. This one now 50 people. And I just say they do blood cuts. They use them these military people tell they do juju because nowhere where juju no fit start from. Because the way person go just they say I won't go save some people. You come from there, they no see wrong way again. I mean they suppose they wear glass for the plane so that the plane go they see road. Because I don't understand this whole matter what happened inside these Philippines. They don't do investigation. They don't see any attack. So what thing can cause this plane crash? Even them, when they do investigation, they say they don't know. Who me I want to ask? Now who I go ask because myself I no can understand. Or are they confused? So now I suppose work. Bear the plane where they send from the US. Maybe the plane no good. I be don't do the plane. I make all these kind of things they happen. Because don't they you don't too much. If one happen now, at least if say it happen once, after 10 years time, it can't happen again, we go talk, say, okay, fine. This one, just last month, you never even to take, another one when they happen. People go there listen and say, oh, I guess something, say, some people, they try attack them. Now, what everybody inside the Philippines don't they listen, say, somebody, they try attack them, somebody, they try battle them. Maybe this Islamic people, they won't go fight, now then they attack them. So my people are back, when I suppose reason this kind of thing, Philippines, be an government, or be an president, now suppose sit down, do meeting. Reason I'm saying, what did they happen? Or maybe the people lack the necessary training. Because they say some people say they even escape. So as this thing begin, the lost road, no they see road, and I dare some people even come down. But I beg as some people come down, what do make them the rest? No follow them, come down. Maybe those rest people now, they never even gather the necessary training. So if now one train then these military people, make them know they carry amateur. Now when people will say they just start to learn military work now, can't gather saying I won't carry them. People will just graduate. At least making and let them enjoy their graduation small. Because then this one, they just come outside, then I just go kill them. They never even, in fact, they never even enjoy their military work. They never even, I'm not even sure say they don't even collect salary for 1 month to do their own work. Now they all of them don't come go die like this. It means that things they happen for that side. I beg, making I watch, people where they go join military, making I dey careful because me I no go here saying I don't go join now, something can go happen to now. So if na no say I don't fit join, sit down for your house. And people where won't go join, make the government put things in place. Make we no come dey hear all this kind tori, all this kata tori again. My people are hear this one. I want to make I bring her comment aside, make na say use na ear. Hear wetin dey happen. Make na not forget to comment and also like and share this video. I go see you now for our next video.